Good morning, everyone. I am Allyssa Mariel Partoza, and today we are going to discuss about Monobactams. So easily remember this topic, we have Monobactams. So Monobactams has monocyclic beta-lactam ring, meaning it has only one beta-lactam ring and is not fused with another ring. So for bac, we have bactericidal in nature, TAM for the administration. So Monobactams are administered intravenously. S for it is synergistic with aminoglycosides, or it is combined with aminoglycosides to produce an effect. Same with all the beta-lactams. Monobactams' mechanism of actions is to disrupt the cell wall synthesis, making it bactericidal in nature or resulting to bactericidal actions. So monobactams can also be used as a substitute for more toxic aminoglycosides in combination therapy and has a low affinity to penicillin binding protein or PBP of streptococci and staphylococci. So currently, Aztreonam is the only member of this class. It particularly works only against gram-negative bacteria, including Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Haemophilus influenza, whereas gram-positive bacteria and anaerobes are resistant. Uses of monobactams. So monobactams are safe to use as an alternative to cephalosporin in meningitis, used as a substitute for aminoglycosides in the treatment of gram-negative infections. It can be combined with clindamycin or metronidazole in mixed anaerobic infections, or with erythromycin in mixed infections with gram-positive organism. It also has low immunogenic potential that can be used in penicillin-sensitive individuals. So in veterinary medicine, its use is limited and side effects are relatively non-toxic. So that's all for monobactams. Thank you.